Hello there and welcome back to Windows 11. Okay, it's not Windows 11, but I have to tell you, if there is such a thing as Windows 11 in the future, this is what it should look like. This is Makulu Linux, by far the prettiest Linux-based operating system I have seen in a long, long time. It does look truly magnificent, at least out of the box. I am testing this, running this off a USB stick. It seems stable enough, so let's take a look at this and see what we have. Again, it feels and looks terrific. This is my first look at Makulu Linux, I do believe. Now, Makulu Linux is based off of Debian testing. I believe it has a modified version of the Linux Mint or the Cinnamon desktop. Of course, you can also check out Linux Mint Cinnamon. And it looks great, as I stated. This is the default desktop. Probably the nicest collection of wallpapers I have seen in a long, long time. I noticed this has a scan for virus built-in application in this. I don't think I've ever seen that before. But if we go to desktop settings, now this will give you, again, if you've played with Cinnamon before, there's nothing unusual here. It should be quite stable. Let's take a look at the wallpaper, because this is really a nice collection of wallpapers. Really, really colorful. Many to choose from here. This has an app called Variety, which is right here that lets you choose the next wallpaper immediately by clicking next. And it has some quotes also that come up with each wallpaper, it looks like. That's nice. It says here, life isn't long enough for love and art. Boy, ain't that the truth. The next one. And that's nice too. Every artist was first an amateur. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Very nice. Okay, so that's the Variety. Let's go through this rather quickly and see what we have. Of course, we have the panel at the bottom. You can click themes here and change the theme if you want to. Again, this is supposed to make Windows users feel comfortable, I'm assuming. And as a Windows user running this, I do feel comfortable. The standard set of icons here to the right, including Bluetooth, Variety. I did install Kazam to record this. I'm not sure why they have the other application to record, which is kind of pointless. I'll get to that in a moment. And of course, the clock and date. If we go to the Makulu Linux website, you can get some more information here. Catch up on the latest news below. Again, I'll let you guys go through this. You can click downloads to check this out. Alright, let's get out of that. The software updater looks like about 350 megabytes to download. Again, I'm running this off a USB stick, so it'd be pointless to download this. I won't save it anyway. And things to know about Makulu Linux 14. They're calling this Lindoz, L-I-N-D-O-Z. I'm not sure how they can do that because of the other company that kind of rhymes with Lindoz, but hey, I won't say nothing if you won't say anything, right? Some default icons. So let's go through these real quick here, what apps are installed. Shortcuts, we have files. Again, I don't have anything installed here, but this is very, lots of eye candy, to say the least. So, very nice. Nemo File Manager. And it's running pretty good off a USB stick. Alright, so Terminal. Nice transparency there. Chrome and the Software Center. Let's see what that looks like. This has something called App Grid versus the normal looking Software Center, and that's looks fine to me. You can go by category: arts, games, productivity, programming sciences, system. Okay, something different. It looks nice. Update repositories and show the desktop. Alright, let's go and see what's installed. Okay, again, this is a huge start panel, as you can see here, running this on my display. But hey, for me it's fine because I normally wear contacts and sometimes I wear glasses, so this looks fine with me. I know it's huge, as Bernie Sanders would say. It's going to be huge. Anyway, this here to the right, this kind of reminds me of a modified Android phone. And that's fine. It looks colorful, pleasing to the eyes. Very, very nice. Well, we have some favorites here to the left. And I believe the Well, let's go through these one by one. Let's do that. Accessories. ClamTK for the virus scanner. Let's see if anything else catches my eye. Stacer. I believe Stacer is a cleanup utility that's not that well known in Linux. Yeah, dashboard, system cleaner, apps, services, uninstall and resources. Okay, very nice. Let's go back. Go back to accessories. Okay, let's go to games. All right, a nice collection of games. I noticed the Steam client is installed. Very nice. Clickety. Good title. Graphics. Let's see. I'm surprised the GIMP is not installed. But of course that can be installed. Internet, Discord, Dropbox, Empathy, Chrome, the Makulu, Linux Live Chat Room, Megasync, Overdrive, Overdrive. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Okay, I don't want to set that up now. Let's move along. And Skype, Office. Okay, so they have chosen to choose to install WPS instead of LibreOffice, and that's fine. Sound and video. I had to install Kazam. Lollipop is a nice looking player. Pulse audio volume control should be standard. I'm not sure why Record My Desktop is on there. That's like obsolete since the dinosaur age. It's kind of pointless. I'm not even sure if it works. Lollipop I have tested before. A great music player. Of course, this is new, so I don't have anything installed there in terms of music or anything. But yeah, it looks nice. Let's get out of that. All right, let's move along. All right, you were at sound and video, of course, VLC. Wine configuration to install your Windows application. Preferences. Let's see. Desklets, display effects, extensions. Install. Doesn't look like we have anything installed, but you can add extensions online. Okay, cool. Very nice. Simple. Okay, so that was preferences. We have hot corners, notifications, sound. This is self-explanatory here. Output, input, test, sound effects. Looks like default to off and application. Okay, very nice. And administration, we looked at AppGrid. BleachBit installed, very nice. Boot repair, interesting. Have not seen that installed by default. Deconf editor to customize it even more, but not really designed for newbies. Grub customizer, haven't seen that in a while. And setting up printers here at the bottom. You have some quick links here to the right. I love how this looks. I really do. It does remind me of Windows in a way, more Android, I would say. But it looks and feels friendly, and I think that's the point of running this for Windows users. It really looks nice. Let's take a look at WPS. Yes, I accept. Jeez. Click the next wallpaper, see what it looks like. Okay, spreadsheets, and so on. Like I said, a nice collection of wallpapers. What's this say? The best defense against the atom bomb is not to be there when it goes off. Die. That's nice too. True love comes quietly without banners or flashing lights. If you hear bells, get your ears checked. Unless it's wedding bells, right? I like that. I like the quotes that comes with the wallpaper changer. That's nice too. Nice and peaceful. All right, did I miss anything? I don't think so. I think I looked at everything I wanted to look at. Desklets. Let's see. Let's add the clock to the desk. And there we go. It's that simple. Can we move this? Yeah, we can. All right. Right click, configure. Font size, color. We can do yellow, I guess. Select. There we go. All right. Remove it. We can right click and remove. Hey, an extension that actually works. I like this, guys. Check it out. This is from Makulu Linux. It really looks nice. It's if you're looking for something fancy out of the box that at least you can test off a USB stick, and I'm assuming this will run fine as a full install if you have a spare machine or run it in a virtual box. But this looks really, really nice. Well, it's pretty. Very pretty. That's what comes to mind. It looks terrific. So check out Makulu Linux, the latest edition for 2018. And they're calling this Lindows. I think they should call it something else. I'm not sure what. But Lindows does not give this terrific looking desktop, does not give it justice. Maybe call it Makulu Linux. I'm not sure. The Pretty Edition or something like that. Anyway, check it out. The links will be below in the show notes. If you have any questions or comments, please post them also below. But I really like this. This might be on my list for one of the top 10 Linux desktops for 2018. So yeah, check it out. Looks terrific. All right, enough said. I'll catch you guys on the next one.